Oh, wow. Right. 1 second. Okay. Right, let's get rid of all this.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Wow, GJ's wearing off over here. Nice. Take a look at the news in a second. And we'll get started today. Yeah.
I was in this move.
You were?
Yeah, I sent you on the Telegram some pictures.
Nice. Looks clean on the hourly.
Yeah, check the Telegram.
Yeah.
I screenshot everything I do.
Oh, that's nice. Bit impulsive on the 5. Nice.
Check the last photo. The last photo is my entry.
Yeah.
But,
nice.
55 minutes. No, not 55. 15 minutes before our close.
That's good. Very, very nice. Damn. Beautiful. Did Brian get that, or did Brian? I saw here. Did you buy there? Oh no, you bought there. Okay. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's just above the 30-minute. How's it that morning, Ali?
Yeah. Oof. Wow.
As a tester,
my stop loss was, where is your blue line?
Oh, that's a really taken profit. But that entry was on my trading day. That was my entry.
Yeah. Wow.
Nice entry.
Very nice.
Nothing in take profit. So.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of people have shit. Nice. Okay, so let me just get rid of all this. So it looks like there was news before. So let's just start this off. A little bit of a gap down over here, so kind of struggle to see the flip now, but that's okay. Look like we gapped down a little bit and now we've pushed quite hard. So the daily's bullish, the 4 hour right now is pushing up, very, very bullish as well. Kind of nice 4 hour closure, the one before as well. So did you guys see that before and go, yeah, you know what, this is closing above here, all that. Now that 4 hour candle closure there was a good sign to continue. Take a look at the hourly. Yeah, beautiful. Let's look at the 30-minute and the 15. Okay, nice. So yeah, so resistance for me was here, which now acted as support, which is nice. Very, very nice. We'll just take a look at that. Oh, it's a 30-minute making the lower wick. So you guys got in on the retest, did you? On the retracement, sorry.
Yeah, on the 30-minute for me.
Yeah. Very, very nice. Got in like there.
My entry was on 30 flip.
Yeah, I thought that sounds reasonable.
But man, it slipped. It slipped like 7 pips.
What?
Yeah, it slipped because the candle exploded.
Oh wow. Shit. Did you still get
So
some?
instead of being 20 pips in profit, I'm at break even, so I'm happy.
Oh wow. He also got slipped 8 pips. Rosh got slipped 8 pips as well. Shit. Man. I had a buy stop.
I got stop loss.
Wait, you hit stop loss?
Yeah, so I got in. I had the entry on the flip, but it came down about maybe 8 or so pips or something like that. Came back up, and I had the stops above the flip, but it just obviously spread tapped me in, and then it went the wrong way, and so I ended up putting my stops on that previous 15-minute candle, and I got like a 12 pip stop loss or something. So that
where did you get in? You got in on the
yeah, so I got in. Well, yeah, technically it was a flip, but obviously
okay, so
doesn't look like it on that.
You actually got in like there.
No. Wait, I'll annotate. So I got in on this flip, but it doesn't obviously look like it's flipped on that. Like, it doesn't look like there's a top wick there, but obviously spread just tapped me in. And at that point in time, there was maybe like a small, I don't know, 8 or 9 pip stop loss or something. Yeah, And so I ended up putting my stops on this candle, came down, tapped me out, and then closed, something like that. Or was it on this candle? I can't remember what it was. Something like that. But that was basically how it worked.
Okay, I get you. That's a fucker. Hey ho, I suppose.
Yep.
So yeah, did the news come out like positive, assuming then? Not really that positive, is it? Yeah, that's pretty shit. Pretty fucking garbage. Don't know why. Yeah, it's pretty shit news, to be honest with you. It's all minus, all negatives. Pretty much every single one. Damn. Okay, so let's just take a look over here in a second. A few early ones, yeah, some people got some early trades in here. So, looking like it was going to continue over here. I'm probably going to wait for this hourly to close for me to get on the bandwagon. Where could we potentially continue to? Well, we've got 1634 and 80. Let's just see on the 30 minute and 15 if there's any more zones. Yeah, that's the main zone, isn't it? Can you see? So 480 is going to be the next target, which is quite a big area, so that's kind of good. I am happy with that. The hourlies, the 4 hours look good, so yeah, we'll see how the hourly closes in 30 minutes or so, and then I may try and take a little trade here. So yeah, bullish, pretty easy. Let's take a look at AJ. Anyone got any AJ yet? Let's take a look. Same that kind of thing. It kind of gapped below. Gapped below, and then it's flipped all the way back up and pushed a little bit. 4 hours made some support on that daily flip right here. Oof, very, very nice. Oh, nice, Vincent. On GU? Let's take a look then, the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour closed bullish above in this one, so looking nice to continue. Take a look at the hourly. Hourly starting to push. The hourly's closed above like a little bit of hourly resistance. Take a look at the 30 and the 15. Okay, so yeah, you can start to see that we are coming towards that resistance high right here. Buys above would be kind of nice. That's 20 pip zone to the previous. But then above there is going to be really nice. So above 93,300 to come towards 93,637. That's a nice zone to get into trades, I think, as well. So yeah, looking kind of nice for maybe AJ to continue. The daily time frame looks like it may be making some support to continue back bullish. Yeah, Dave hit one under 724. That's fine. Makes kind of sense. Yeah, about there. It's okay. All we know is that it's bullish on both, to be honest. So that's okay. Let's take a look. Hello, YouTube. Morning. I had a buy stop on the flip candle. Got slipped 10 pips close full at break even. Oh, that's such a shame. What the fuck is that? That's so annoying. Good morning. Can I buy this? No, you cannot buy it. Yes. I am your master. Hello everyone, hello. So yeah, I mean, it's looking like I had a nice little bit of volume there, but yeah, I'm probably gonna just wait for the 8 o'clock volume to come in with the hourly closures, etc. I want this hourly to close above this resistance here on AJ, so that would be nice. And yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look at gold then. Is gold still in this fucking range? Please say it's not. Oh my god. To be honest, that last daily closure is nice. Finally, above this resistance as well. So, what I can see over here, let's get my annotation tools out. We can see resistance there, resistance there, resistance there, resistance there. So for me, we've actually closed above this one, which is in the main one. So, could be nice to flip. I think if this flips and continues, we're gonna go to 1957 today. So, people on some daily flips or whatever. How many stops would that be? Oh, 10 pips, fucking hell. Okay, so yeah, let me just get rid of this. So, the daily time frame is bearish right now. Pretty bearish right now. The 4 hour time frame is bearish. But you can see already that price is pushed up over here, and it looks like we're maybe just trying to make some support for later on, which would be kind of nice. The hourly time is pushed all the way back down. 30 minutes close bearish. So for me now, we can start to see where our supports are, and pretty much here. So 1940.5, that's that support. Very, very nice. That would be the support area that we're going to be holding. Where would you want to take buys? I mean, buys are at 1940 if you can get a nice support forming. Taking buys in this area though, it's a bit choppy, which kind of sucks. So, I mean, maybe above 1949 would be nice. Breaks above, because that'll be flipping the daily time frames, and that'll be looking nice. So, that could be nice. Good morning. Drop a like on your way in. Yes, make sure to like the stream, guys. So yeah, gold just in this little zone right now. GJ, AJ are just pushing up. I'm just going to probably wait for a retracement or a nice hourly closure bullish. See about the bottom wicks, because look, green candles to the left really, so it could be kind of nice to continue to at least 163487, so it's like a 50 pip zone. So I don't think it's got, I think it's got a lot more room here, so I'm not too bothered about this right now. Okay, so let's just take a look at this chart from Kevin. Let's take a look. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. Let's see over here. Oh, this is not working. Let's just take a look. Okay, gold, 50-minute time frame. You took a sell, okay? You took a sell when the 50-minute closed bearish and broke the flip. Okay. Very, very nice. I think now you should stop us to break even. You're up like 15 pips, so probably close like 80% as well. You got a nice stop. Wow, you just had that top wicket just stop. That's pretty good. And then maybe runners you could run to 1940. That would probably be the nicest. Very, very good. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know which one looks better, to be honest. I think GJ looked kind of better. So yeah, very, very nice. This hourly's already made a nice retest in the previous though, so that was good with a bit of news. So the news probably made it a bit more aggressive here. Probably moved a little quicker. God, getting to sip 9 pips on a Monday. Holy shit! It's good at ran 20 pips though. It's just shame for Scott. God damn. So actually take a look on the 15 as well. This could be also classed as like another level of support that it could hold, especially in the 5-minute here. So yeah, I just want to see maybe a little bit of a retracement. Yeah, let's get rid of that. I'll let it relax. Would this be a solid entry? Yeah, that gold trade potentially. Yeah, nice resistance forming. The only issue is you are in a zone, you are in a range. So what I always say is if you trade in a range, you got to buy there and you got to sell like there, or there. Yeah. So gold is still in a range. I still want it to get out. Hopefully today it can, because it looks like that with that daily candle it might be able to. Because we're getting out of this crappy zone, but hopefully. Max, why if news are negative, GJ push up? Because sometimes that happens. So let's take a look over here. There was a reason why. 1 second. So UK 100 should be going down. That's what normally if UK 100 goes down, then let's take a look over here. Oh no, UK 100 hasn't gone down either. 7 o'clock I pushed up. I have no idea because this is not. Construction output, they thought it was going to be 0.5. It's minus 0.1. GDP is 0.1%. It's half of what they expected. Good trade balance is minus 20, which is not good. Industrial production minus 0.6. Manufacturing production, yeah. Services is a little better, but it's not nice. It's not the best news, is it? It's pretty garbage. So I have no idea, to be honest with you. So yeah, UK balance of trade was positive, and the 3-month gross domestic product is positive. Yeah, that's true. The yen is down. The yen is still down, man. It's been down a while. Damn. It's been down a while. Morning session. So it looks like a lot of people took that trade over here. Let's take a look. So when do you guys start talking? Gonna want anyone in for GG buys? Wow, Flocky, we're looking at 6.5. Nice. Oh, look like Tom tried an entry as well. Wait, did you get in on the 4-hour flip, Brian? I don't know. Respect to the 30 minutes.
Literally, you can say like the 4-hour flip is just below the 30-minute retest. That's a 15-minute chart you're looking at.
Oh, that's the 4-hour flip. Okay. Yeah. Very nice.
So is that the 5 minute?
That's actually the 5-minute chart. Right?
Yeah.
So, 5-minute chart.
So was your entry on the flip of the wick that was rejecting that level?
But let me just put a line on my entry and then just quickly. I was watching the 30-minute. You can literally see like the wicket comes down on the 30-minute was like the highs of the previous rejections on the 30. You see what I'm saying? But if you look at it on the 5, it's just a retest of previous structure.
Yeah.
But I was already in it and moved to the 5-minute and then I just took a hit. You know what I mean? But I was watching 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, where did you put your stops? Just below the wick or just back in the zone?
Just below the wick, yeah.
Like, oh, that is crazy.
5.1.
5 pips. 5 pips for a 20 pip gain. Holy shit. Brian, man. What are the different entries you have? Is it the flip and the break of the lows? Yeah, we have flips. We have break of the lows, break of highs. I mean, sometimes, yeah, that's all it is. Flips and breaks and lows.
Lows are breaking the range.
Yeah. Breaking of the range, sometimes the impulses, yeah. Most part, they are the 2 ones that we use. When you join, you get big dog entries too, lol, yeah. It all depends on the stop, exactly. All depends on the stop. So yeah, GJ, Gold is in a little bit of a zone. It looks like AJ is kind of chilling out. These wicks over here don't really like too much, so yeah. We'll see.
It was a good, for me, my entry was good, but the thing is, the trade was like 7 seconds, man. It was,
yeah.
We don't get that, you know what I mean? So as much as it was a great entry and stuff, it's just, it played out, it was news. That was all it did.
Yeah. Exactly.
It would have been a normal trade. If
it would have been. So they just run like 20 pips pretty much instantly.
Oh, fast, man. It was like at 17 pips in like 6-7 seconds.
Wow. That's mad. Wow, that's a Monday to start off with. Whoa, we're getting slipped 9 pips. Oh my god. It's mad, boy. Right. So yeah, we'll see. Anyone have any good weekend? Oh wow, I wanted to watch that match yesterday, but I couldn't, man. All depends on stop. Support formed is being used quite often for the so-called cowboy trades. Yeah. So I'm just wondering, I'm new here, so if the candle's above the 4-hour and daily flip, you buy after you break resistance or retest support and sell the other way around and sell below. Yeah, pretty much. It's not too hard. Yeah, the 4-hour and the daily flips just show me the direction, and I prefer to have them on my side, so for sure. So yeah, it's pretty much all it is. On which website can you get the Excel spreadsheet template that you use, Mark? Which one? The one for like trades and stuff, like the percentage gains and stuff like that? Yeah, it's just Control FX. It's just go on Controller's website and sign up and then download it. It's free. Yeah, it's pretty good. So looking like they're starting to relax a little bit. These 5-minute candles are a bit sketchy. So yeah, probably just gonna wait for this hourly to close really in 12 minutes time. GJ hourly flip was nice. Yeah, I think so. I think that was also the 30. See, look on the 5-minute how it worked. Yeah, it's pulled all the way up. Holy shit. Very nice. Man, KDB is a beast. Yeah, holy shit. I saw the recaps of it. Damn. Oh yeah. Apparently City, I didn't watch the whole thing, but apparently City looked like they were the better team. Overall. 950k views already into 12 hours. Holy shit. Nice. Very nice. Would this have been a good entry? Let's take a look at this chart over here. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is GJ at 741. Yeah, so pretty much exceeding the high of the previous 15. Yeah, I think that would have been a pretty nice entry. I think your stop should have been on the low of this candle, though. There's no point of this extra. This extra bit here, this extra stop you're giving yourself there is useless, okay? Because if it breaks that low of the previous, you've lost that trade pretty much, right? So that extra little gap there, you know, you could be saving, okay? It's like adding some more, you know, food to your restaurant when you don't need it. You're just gonna lose it. It's just gonna reduce your profit. So, yeah, stop loss should be right here. I always say that if you guys are giving it like a tiny bit more room, there's no point in it. If that 15 breaks there, if this next candle does this and breaks that low,
yeah, that's also that's also one of the things I look at my entries as exactly what you're explaining.
Yeah.
Like, rather have it tight, because if you lose, they're always going to be smaller than your losses, your wins.
Yeah,
always.
For sure. Yeah, like there's no point having it down fucking here, because you know if this starts breaking here, you're just gonna get a nice drive and it's probably gonna come down there, and then you've just lost double the amount of what you should have. Like, there's no point. So yeah, but apart from that, nice. The only issue was that a lot of people got in at this point here and they got slipped 9 pips, which kind of sucks ass. But yeah, if that was a normal day, maybe kind of nice, big volume. But normally this doesn't happen a lot, you know. This is just a bit of news, bit of volume. But yeah, nice for people who did catch it a little bit. Morning, Ron. Morning. So yeah. 180 people in here, amazing work. Let's get ready for London Open then. So yeah, I'm trying to think, because there's nothing really to the left really for me. So I'm kind of just trying to wait and see what's going to give me. The stops aren't too bad really. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. If we broke that high, stop loss there, 16 pips. Oh no, I don't like that. Let's take a look at AJ then. Oh my god. Milan! Oh my fucking god, Milan! Microphone. The second he comes on.
It's not his mic.
It fucking is, I just muted him. Instantly, I was like, oh my god, Milan's back. He needs to go on Amazon right now and buy a fucking mic. Morning, Milan.
Morning.
Morning, Max.
Morning, everyone.
GJ for 100 pips.
Yeah, some people took it already.
Yeah, I saw it.
Some people got slipped 9 pips.
Morning, Brian.
They got slipped 9 pips. Oof.
You got slipped 9 pips. Shit.
Yeah, right there. They got slipped 9 pips, which is nasty. So yeah, the Wix is scary on GJ. Yeah, we'll take a look. I don't know though, because the actual zone that we're coming into is pretty nice. Now, I can't see any sort of traffic until, you know, 163,500. So I'm gonna be pretty happy with that, I feel. So I'm kind of happy. So we'll see. AJ, I really want this hourly to close above the previous one, which would be nice. Take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah, and above this kind of area. Let's take a look on the 15. Yeah, man. I don't know. I don't know if I like these wicks. These rejection wicks. Yeah, I got slipped 10 pips, but managed to secure 10 pips. Wow, so broken even. That's not bad then. Max, you didn't watch the match? That was probably the best match I've watched in a while. Amazing. Oh wow. I was traveling, man. I was driving. Yeah, it's kind of good. I missed that match, to be honest with you. So yeah. Morning, Milan. I took a GU sell earlier. Was thinking about what you said on Friday about the zone and went for it on the 15. Took 50 pips profit. Jeez. He's happy with that. Very nice. Can you check my chart on Discord? Yeah, I'll take a look. I'm really trying to. Yeah, man. Nice GU trade. Yeah, I'm really trying to think of what I want. The only issue I have right now is that the stop losses right now are going to be pretty beefy. It's 10 pips on that low. It's not too bad. Let's see. Look on the 30.
GU is coming. Yeah.
GU's coming back. I don't know if I want to jump into GJ this morning. Maybe gold buys instead. Yeah, I really like how gold is gonna flip this daily later on. Yeah, I like that. But my issue is right now gold buys. I don't know. This hourly is gonna close in 5 minutes time back below. It's just in a range, you know. So kind of sucks. Oh, 50 minutes about to flip. Nice. So yeah, we'll see in this next hourly. I mean, this hourly may just start to push up a little bit higher straight away, and that's fine. But for me, I need some sort of retracement to get in, which is what I'd want. So yeah, we'll see. 4 minutes left. 200 people in here. Amazing work. Make sure you like the stream and subscribe. All that good stuff. And yeah, we'll be up and running for this week. Last week there was good as well. We had some really good trades taken. GJ was kind of hard at the start of the week, but got better at the end, which was nice. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. Can you check my chart in Discord? Yeah, I'll take a look. Okay, so. Oh wow. Okay, nice. So you got a little bit of a fib retracement, looks like. Very nice. That's a nice fib retracement as well. 0.618. Pretty nice. Nice on the resistance. The previous resistance was making a support. Getting in a bit impulsively. Worked nicely. Another fib trade. Did you use fibs there, Brian? Because that looked pretty clean, to be honest.
I didn't need to, but it worked. I mean, that's also a lower time than 5 minutes. So it's just a break and retest, man.
Yeah. Yeah. My only thing for that trade is it was very impulsive. Like it was like, look, if you go
yeah,
in
but
there,
the new hourly opened early, so we had the retracement on the new 1 hourly. See?
Yeah, that's true. Oh, and you're just watching the 30 in the hourly. Yeah, that's true.
See?
Yeah. Oh, GJ's breaking highs just 3 minutes before. Oof. This is going to be interesting. Good morning, all. Have I missed any trades? No. Not yet. Not yet. I'm on AJ. I'm just trying to think if I can get into AJ with smaller stops. It kind of would be nice. Those rejection wicks are not really the nicest, you know. They ain't too nasty. Hi all, question about IC markets. Do you have history bars? Today I can't see past months information. Oh, I don't know. I pretty much can, I think. Damn. That sucks. Can't see your history. Are you sure you got the custom history on? You'll have to see and take a look. 40 likes in this bitch. Amazing work. Amazing. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. It broke the highs and it's retraced all the way back again. Damn. Yeah, my issues for GJ right now is just the stops. Stops are gonna be kind of big, so we'll have to see. This 5-minute zone has been respected pretty nice, so we shall see. As I say, gold, I'm just gonna look for buys later on. I think maybe if it comes to this level, 1940, and I'll look for some supports to form to ride it back up. Because then if it flips this daily, oof, rides it back up to 1958. That could be nice for me. Maybe the flip on the next hourly GG. Yeah, but the hourly needs to make a nice little wick first, you know. A nice low wick for me. And then we can continue to the next resistance. Like that. That would be nice. What's your average monthly gain percentage? Depends on what month, depends how good the month is, but it ranges from like, I don't know, like 12 to 36 probably on average. Sometimes 45, sometimes 50. It really just depends on the month. Depends on the month. So far in the past 2 weeks I've made quite a lot, like nearly 17-18%, I think. So yeah, credits to the gold trade, man. Which months you found most volatile? Well, I mean, I think volatile depends. Volatile, the actual word volatile is not a good word. Volatile for me means it moves a lot but in a big area and not really much direction. So rangy. Rangy, well, recently has been fucking January and February. Fucking awful. Okay, so hourly's closed over here. Nice. So for me, yeah, I don't really like these 15 minutes on AJ. They're way too rejection-y kind of. So yeah, 15 minutes closed bullish. If I got in right now, stop loss would be 10 pips. Okay, so that's kind of nice. Maybe a lower wick down would be nice. If it does break that high, I may miss this, unfortunately. Because if I got in on the high, then stops are going to be 16 pips, and I ain't getting in 16 pips. Oof. So yeah, I'm not really rushing into too much. I can't really see too much at this point. I'd like a nice hourly lower wick, really. A nice 30-minute lower wick. If I don't get that and breaks the high here, then great, impulses are going to win, but I'm just not going to take that. So broken the high right now. Amazing, should continue. Should continue. Have you still got runners on, guys? Runner. Yeah, I hate it when it breaks the high pretty much instantly after the hourly's just opened. I just don't like it. Nope. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep an eye on that on the gold as well, making some support somewhere around like 1940 would be nice. Nice. Beautiful. So GJ running off over here, nice. Like 5 pips already on that high. Yeah, it's a shame about these wicks on AJ, man. I mean, the zone to the next one is, what, 13 pips? That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah, we'll see. Do you think GJ will reach 164? Well, it looks like it, doesn't it? Pretty much, yeah. I think maybe not today. In the next week, or in this week, probably, yeah. Kind of clean candles, looks like it moves kind of quickly here. So there we go. I mean, if you got in on the high right now, you'd be up 3 pips, not really that much. I was thinking maybe put your stops to break even. When you get into a very impulsive trade like that, you gotta just put stop loss to break even, hope it can continue. Because normally, if it rejects and pulls down and flips, it's gonna push down kind of hard, and you're gonna take a lot of drawdown. which kind of sucks. UJ on weekly chart looks like a crypto pump. Maybe some sellers at the top. But UJ, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh wow, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, it's just pumped it. Damn. Very, very nice. Okay, so came back to entry there. I think probably would have got out there maybe at a break even for me, to be honest, because it went up what? Yeah, 7 pips. For me, that would probably be a break even if I got that impulse. I mean, or you could have your stops on the current low here, but for me, that probably would have been a break even. Yeah, delicate situation when you don't have like hourlies not making any lower wicks, because you know they're probably gonna make a lower wick, so you can get that little drive at 8 o'clock, but got to put your stop loss to break even and just hope it can continue. So yeah, yeah, I really want AJ to continue, but right now it's looking like it's fucking about a little. Look at the 5-minute time frame. It ain't too nice, so we may have to wait a little longer over here for a trade. 252 people here. Make sure to like the stream and make sure to go in Discord and send me some charts. If you guys took any trades today already, make sure to send me some charts. I'll take a look at them. I'll take a little sneak peek. But yeah, nothing too much I can see really. Also, when do you go full risk and half risk, and explain how much percentage is it from your account? I always go full risk really. I don't go half risk. Because of the fact that if I go half risk, I'll be looking for double the amount of pips, so I'll be like, oh, holding it on for longer. There's no point. So I just keep it at full risk, and then just manage my stops. So yeah, I never go half. So how much is it percentage wise? Please never above 3%, correct? Yes. I risk 1.4 on GJ and 1.2 on gold right now. But 1.2 is percentage risk, so if the stop's 20, then my gain will be 20 and that'll be 1.2%. But GJ is just set 1.4. And there we go, looking like it's going to come now. So you should definitely be at break even here now. And maybe closing a little bit. 5 minutes were kind of good, support forming it, etc, etc. But for me, I wanted that lower wick for the stops, really. Because sometimes it's quite aggressive. So looking like gold's retracing here. I'm not going to lie, the whole thing that I'm looking for today is just to get into an early entry on gold, to be honest with you. Because if this daily flips, we're going to push. We've got clean candles another 100 pips away. So if I can get into a sneaky entry, you know, I don't know, somewhere like around here with stop loss like, you know, here, and then hold this bitch on to at least there, and then maybe a little runner to like 200 pips away. That'd kind of be nice, because I just see it happen so many times, especially when the daily's closed above. So, and the 4-hour time frames, the bodies are getting smaller and smaller. They're chilling out, making some support. So we'll see. You don't do a set lot size anymore. No, I do, but it's around about 1.4% of my account. 25 pips in GJ already. Wow, your Monday's doing bits right now. Jeez. And there we go. So AJ's starting to come back down now, which is fine. I mean, the hourly could be just making the lower wick, which is kind of nice to see. Hope it comes back and taps this previous area here, 93,078. But yeah, it has just broken all the 50-minute candles as well, so it kind of sucks in that regards. So yeah, what's your rules? What do you mean, like for the day? 2 losses maximum is a rule I have. I trade only the times I want to trade, so like 7 till 9:30, and then like 11 till like 2, pretty much. After that, I'm done. Entry rules, they're all in the setups here. All of these setups I talk about in the mentorship. Every single one of them. I mean, we've got loads. and how we use them, how we get into trades with them, what scenarios do we need to get in either on the flip or the break of the lows. Yeah, we got all of them, man. We got all of them. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Oh shit, why is my computer lagging? There we go. So wow, GJ's came all the way back again. Did it actually hit 10 pips on that actually another high? It did not. Yeah, that sucks. Flat out or tap out. Bro, these are retail concept. Maybe because we're retail traders. He's wanting the smart money concept. Sorry, my man. I only have dumb money concepts here. So yeah. So yeah, nothing too much yet. We gotta wait. We gotta wait a little longer for things. But yeah, look. Funny that GJ's like pushed up over here and AJ's starting to come back down. So yeah, AJ right now it's starting to make its own resistance, which is fine. It's like right here, which is fair enough. So maybe closures above would be nice to continue. The zone up here is 16 pips, not too good. Dumb money concept makes a lot of dumb money. Yeah, exactly. So why would I need smart money? My dumb money pays me. Dumb money.
Oh.
Hello, Finny boy. How was your
Going
weekend?
on?
You have good fun?
Yeah, massive weekend.
Mate, I was still creased about that picture. Your mate's fucked. He looks like a fucking zombie.
good.
He's completely wasted.
He doesn't look too good, does he?
Can I show people?
Yeah. Oh, it's probably gone.
It's fucking great. Oh, what? Was he just on a
It would be.
story? Ah, shit,
It was a story.
Yeah, it will be. Ah, that sucks. Ah, yeah. God, that was fucking hilarious. I just saw him like,
Yeah.
that guy looks absolutely fucked.
Like- How good was the caption?
Yeah, the caption was great, man. Fucking hell. Is it F1 good? Ricardo doing well, eh?
Yeah, he did alright. He did alright.
Better than fucking
Considering where-
17th or something.
Yeah, I was gonna say, considering where McLaren were at round 1 and 2,
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
mate, the crowd was. It was something like 420,000 people at the Grand Prix over the weekend.
Wow, that's mad.
Yeah.
Shit, that is ridiculous.
Yeah, no, it was good. It was a good weekend.
I haven't watched the race yet. I need to watch it.
It was
It
good.
looked like one driver didn't pit the whole time. They just kept him on, and he
Yeah,
just didn't
Albon.
do that bad. Yeah.
He pitted on the last lap.
That's mad. It kind of worked though.
Yeah,
He got
no.
some points, which is kind of nice.
Nah, it was good. It was really good.
Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, some people got into some early GJs, but this fucking Scotty boy, bless him. Oh, that sucks.
Oh no, what happened to Scotty?
Well, he just got in a little bit earlier here and then got took out. But basically, a lot of people. So Brian, obviously, Shock gets the best entry in Man Earth right here. Stop loss below.
Oh my god.
But then a lot of people got in. A lot of people got in here. Wait, on the 30-minute flip there. 1 second. There. Okay, like that, which looks pretty reasonable, right? They got shipped
Yeah.
9 pips.
Oh.
So they got it there. Like that. So then when they got to 10 pips, which it did pretty much instantly, they just got a break even, which kind of sucks.
Oh, this gold looks like it's about to fucking fly upwards.
Oh, it's just flipped the 30, yeah. Yeah. I want this gold to buy later on. I just really want a nice... I mean, getting down at like
It looks good.
1941 was kind of nice, actually, yeah.
How good does it look on the daily? It finally closed above
Yeah.
that.
That's what I was saying before. Should come
Oh,
to
sorry.
950. No, I'm saying, you know, you're right. Good analysis. 1958 is where we should come to, really. And if it goes above there,
Yeah.
oh my god. 300 pips, baby. Yeah, that was kind of good, actually. Just take a look how much stops would be on the lows here.
This 15-minute will
18
probably just
pips.
open because it's already rejected. Probably just fly.
Yeah, that was kind of nice, that little wick. Oof.
Oh, you
That was kinda
prick!
nice.
We've missed this.
I didn't see it before, but that hourly making that low wick was kind of nice. Because look where it's tapped as well. I mean,
Yeah.
oh, it's literally just came back, retested the tap. You could even taken a buy like right there, stop loss below. How much would that would have been? 16 pips. Oof. And if you can, if it breaks that high there, like the daily flip, oh my god, it's gonna go very nice. Very nice. You watch Man City versus Liverpool? No, unfortunately not. You do one-to-one sessions? Yeah, I do drop-in sessions for everyone. So you can ask me, one-to-one questions for sure. Wow, that was nice, man. Fuck, I missed that. Really badly.
Yeah, I know. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, that was nice. So coming towards there, like 20 pips, that's where you probably close if you wanted to. Or, for me, right, this is what I would do, right? This is for people who want to hold on gold maybe a little more. If I got in here, right, with stop loss there, I'm going to close, 80% there. Because, it's nice. It's a bit of resistance, the level here, could be a little issue, right? However, if you do get a one time where maybe you just got into a nice entry, so for example, if this candle made a low wick, you saw a 5-minute pushing back up and you got in here, right? And you stopped there. For me, this may be enough to hold this trade on a little longer because your stops are so, you obviously a bit break even, but because your entry's such far down, you can give it a little bit more breathing room. And that's what I've been seeing recently. If you're getting a lot lower, you can potentially hold it a little longer. And then if it breaks there, I mean, shit, you got a nice kind of zone to go to, like 70 pips.
Shit, next check USD JPY all-time high.
I know. Whatever.
Yeah, nothing over the left.
Oh my god.
1 hour looks great.
Since the
Yeah, it's a 25-year high.
2002. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Like 1 year ago.
Wow. Wow. Ooh, GJ over here, retracing a little bit. Yeah, that's kind of what I was worried a bit about, especially with AJ. The 50-minute candles were rejecting pretty hard. So yeah. So if you did get into GJ buys, there had to be a lot low over here. So congratulations, people in the group who got in there and also there. So yeah, that was probably me for the entry. It was pretty fucking decent, that one. That was nice. Very nice. Can you share your trade tracker? It's just on Controller's website. You just download it. It's free. Don't you think gold 30-minute candle flipping could be a sneaky entry? Yeah. Oh, did you get in it? Did you get in? Yeah, man. I wish I saw that hourly low wick. I just love it, especially with gold when price comes back down to a certain level of support, holds it, reflips. I mean, yeah, I think I probably would have gone in about there. Stop loss below the current candle, 15 pips. I could potentially continue, to at least the daily flip, which would be 1947. Yeah, that's kind of nice. AJ looks like shit right now, so I'll probably leave it alone for a while. How long have you been trading for? I've been trading since I was 16. I'm now 21, so 5 years. So yeah. Gold will go higher. Yes. Control. Iron Man. Yeah, I think if that daily flips over here, because the daily's closed above. Damn, man. 1958 today, I think. I got that sneaky buy on gold. Oh, nice, Logan. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm really jealous. I wish I got in on that fucking flip, man. That was nice. So coming to that level of resistance right there, I'd put stops to break even. Hopefully it can continue though. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, if we break above, that'll be kind of nice. I didn't like the second GJ buys. I wanted a closure above 163, then monitor what price does. Yeah. Beautiful. So let's take a look what this looks like on the hourly. So if the hourly breaks above the previous high as well, you normally get a nice little drive. So that'll be kind of interesting. The 4 hours bullish now. Yeah, nice. I mean, If that daily flips over here, shit, we're gonna be doing something like this. Because now, what has potentially happened as well is that this daily candle's also wicked down to the previous zone in this area here, and now it's starting to reject it. So looking good to continue for sure on gold. I really wanted an entry around 1941. I thought it would at least come to 1940, 1941 here, but it did not too much, which is a shame. But yeah, that's kind of nice. But yeah, I didn't take that one, guys. Don't worry about it. You do want one session? Yes, I've already said that 15 times. So not really. I'm trading on my own. I'm just watching. So I'm not following. Yes. So yeah, let's take a look at AJ then. Yeah, it's still bearish right now. Has it exceeded the low of the previous hourly? Yeah, it has as well. So yeah, kind of a shame on AJ. So the 50-minute also on GJ is closed bearish. So that kind of sucks balls. So I'd probably wait for this 30 to close right now. The good thing is still the zone to the next resistance is 163,500. It's still got a long way to go. So I do really want to get in this bandwagon, but I just want to be able to find a nice low wick entry first, especially when the 50-minute closes like this. Oof, not the best. 15 pips on GG and 17 pips on gold. Wow, 4% for Monday. Holy shit. That ain't too bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah, if you're in gold, I would have a break even right now. 15. Yeah. Cheeky Mondays, yeah, man, that's a good Monday to start off at 4% already. Why no sell stop on GJ bottom of previous 15? Because GJ as a whole is very, very bullish. I don't want to be selling that at all, because there's absolutely no sells going on over here. Just think about your trading journal, right? So if you just for some reason took a sell, right? Maybe on the break of the low here you wanted to take a sell, which was a bit silly, but yeah, you took a sell here, stop loss, above, right? If you lost that trade, when you go into your journal, what are you gonna say? You're gonna go, well, yeah, the daily time frame was fucking bullish as shit. The 4 hour was bullish as shit. The hourly was closed bullish. Very strong candle. So when you go into your journal and write it down, you're gonna go, why the fuck did I take that trade? There was nothing on my side. No higher time frames. I always say keep a higher time frame, at least 4 hour with you. It makes trades so much easier. Yeah. For me, what I have to wait for here is a retracement. I ain't taking sells. For me, sells will probably happen in maybe this area if you close back below here. Why? Well, because the 4 hour will be flipping bearish. So if you flip bearish here, what we're going to do is we're going to drive back down to these lows over here. Yeah. And we're going to fill the range up. Which prop firm has a better rep, MyForex Funds or FTMO? I think MyForex Funds is really, really good. I think the only difference that I've seen is that FTMO's got tighter spreads. That's all I've heard from people. But a lot of my students over here use MyForex Funds, so, and they like it. So, but there's sometimes it looks a bit sketchy. Sometimes there's not enough, like, the timing of the candles is different to normal candles, and sometimes the entries, they get slipped a little and stuff. So yeah, I'll do a little research on it. I'm sure you could probably find the actual spreads on them, but for me it pissed me off if the spreads are quite big, because I'm so used to tight spreads. Like my spreads right now are, yeah, so 0.7 of a pip, gold 0.7. So yeah, if I get like 2 pips or 2.5 pips, that's just way too big for me. So yeah, did that gold stay on that flip? Yeah, it did. Nice. Good to see. Did you buy the Lambos due to Forex profit? I don't have a Lambo. BMW M2 though coming very, very soon. I've got my eyes on it now. I was talking about it before December, before Christmas, but shit, I'm wanting it now. Please tell me about Euro USD. Just send me a chart and I'll take a look at it. Euro USD is boring, slowest pair in FX. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is pretty garbage, isn't it? Let's take a look. Yeah, man. So you know, if you're new to trading and you don't really know what you're looking for, just look at this, right? So first of all, measure like the pips. So looking like a range in here. So like 18 pips. Okay, look at the actual, the zones it's in. I mean, it's not really too nice, is it? It looks like there's one random move and then it just ranges the rest. Whereas if you take a look at a pair where we like trading, like GJ, you take a look at how big we move. Like on that Euro USD, this was 15 pips and this is actually 48 now. So yeah, GJ has a lot more pips. That's why most people use GJ. It's got a lot of bigger moves in most daily candles. So yeah. US 30 is beast of the beasts. Yeah. I wonder how many Brian trades you're gonna have this week from Nas. Have you got them all in here? How many trades did you take on Nas last week?
I think it was only 3.
3. So there's that one.
That's one, yeah. That was a big one.
Just a bit. Fucking hell. Clean candles to the left, man. So that one, and then you got. Let's take a look over here.
I think it was 3. So so there was FOMC that didn't trade, and then Friday there was potential, but I didn't like the entry, so we left it.
That one as well. Fucking hell, what an absolute.
That was the one that Stefan took with me.
Yeah, that was nice as well, and then another one as well.
And then I think there was Monday. So I think it was only 3 last week, but it was like just over 500 pips. 3 trades.
500 pips in 3 trades.
Yeah, because it was 214, 104, and then at 200 and something it was 3.
That finish good. How the fuck do you do that?
How the fuck do you get into that? How it was printing bearish candles and you just put a buy on?
Yeah, but it's retest areas, so it's how it works, man.
Yeah. Mate, Brian's gonna teach us this, man. Don't you worry about that. It's coming.
Yeah, we're on it already.
Yeah.
Imagine if you just fucking got a 20% move in 7 minutes.
That'd be fucking tasty.
I'd have the rest of the week off. I'd be like, yep, there, boys.
The trade that Stefan took with me, I think it was 6 or 7 minutes, 104 pips. I think Stefan got 80 pips.
104 pips.
Yeah, I got 104. Stefan took, I think it was 80. I think he took partials at 80, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I got full.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, JJ's coming back up.
Yeah.
It's right at that little rejection point on the 15-minute.
Yeah. Just gonna wait
for
that.
That's a bit of support there.
Just gonna wait for that 30 to close, I think. How much would stop?
See that bit of support there on.
Oh, fucking hell, man.
On 630.70.
Yeah. Is there something on the left on 15?
Just on the 15-minute, there's a little bit. Just a support.
Let's take a look over here.
At 163.070. And it's literally tapped that last time.
Little tiny one. Let's take a look. Oh, what's the zone to here? 46 pips. Fucking hell, that's so nice. Yeah, maybe it buys above there then.
Yeah, if it closes above there. Yeah. I was going to say that before. I wasn't sure if you were too worried about it or not.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Looks pretty good. GJ still looks bullish. Can I still enter now? For sure. Do whatever you
pray
want.
For the stop loss. Oh, 30-minute above there would be alright.
Okay, So yeah, we'll see. We'll see with this closure. Still pretty nicey though. Shit, let's look at the hourly now. Yeah. Very good, very nice. So we'll see. We will see. Is Goldie still in this level as it came back over here? Yeah, I would have tapped you out. That's a shame. Still in that range. I do think above, above 1949, holy shit, it's going to be very, very nice to continue. For sure. Our GPY 30-minute doesn't look bad. Let's take a look now. Well, it's made the retracement now, hasn't it? The 15 just looks choppy. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. I just got like 4 people going on my Telegram and messaging me. Look. Fucking scammer, fuck off, you lie people. I said, how so, you pussy? I will expose you. Can you explain? You haven't been with me. You're a fucking pussy. I have no idea who you are. Wrong person. I'm sorry. I just got another one as well. I got That's so funny. Wrong person. What the fuck? How'd you get the wrong person? It's quite funny. Fucking hell.
How's that cocksucker on Friday?
Wait, Finn. I'll tell you later, but yeah, let's just keep quiet for that right now.
Oh, okay.
I'll tell you why later. Okay, so let's take a look at this closure in 1 minute's time. Nice 30-minute closure in bullish, which is good. It's above this zone as well. The reason why I like it so much is this zone over here. Oof, tasty. Oh my god, I'm so creased by that. Fucking I go, sorry, my bad, wrong person. I was like, I don't even know you.
Oh, just go.
That's so funny. Okay, so nice closure. Oh, I hate when it breaks up the high straight away. But we'll see. Hopefully a nice little low wick soon.
Go down, you brick.
Yeah. I don't want to rush in and just get buying the high straight away though. I want to be able to get the retracement, so we'll see. If it gives me one. It's 8:30 though. Beautiful volume for it. Beautiful volume for it. That's so fucking funny. Oh my god, it's made my day. Cause I was messaging him. And then I saw another one pop up. I'm like, what the fuck? Why the fuck are people coming for me? What have I done? I was like, holy shit. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, oh shit, it might be the scammers on Instagram that may have like nicked people's money and they thought it was me. That could actually be a possibility. Oh,
you've been sending your Bitcoin wallet address around.
That's mad.
Come on, just pull down a little further.
Yeah, that's such a nice.
Do you want to get in 50 minutes?
Yeah, but I kind of want a bit more of a retracement, man. Milan's buying now. Buy. Oh, AJ, 50-minute bullish closure. The hourly could be flipping. How much should hourly stops be? Oh, that might be a bit safer, you know. Maybe. Because now what we've got in the hourly is the hourly. I mean, it did exceed the low, but it's rejected pretty hard now. We're starting to flip it back up. Yeah. Diva FX TP1 1.4648. Oh, is this for Euro USD? Okay, so GG has made a nice little wick now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 10 pips in the high right now. Very good, very nice. What?
Oh, Warren just sent me a message, a private message.
Oh.
Yeah.
About what?
Yeah. About.
Yeah. Yeah. That's so funny. Warren's on the ball. I'll probably get in the flip. Actually, fuck that. That's quite funny. Right, okay, let me just move my fucking chart because it's
Damn, my flip's a bit different to 075.
Oh yeah, mine is as well actually. I was basing off trading view here, but I'll change it in a sec when I'm on.
Mine's like 83 or something.
Trade that boy.
10 pips. Oh, that's not bad.
I'm just gonna put mine at. Yeah, mine gapped a little bit. I'm just gonna put it at 163.80. 0.80. Yeah. Beautiful. So yeah, we've got a closure above now. The 30 minutes also closed very, very bullish. We've got a nice 15 closure bullish as well. So yeah, I gotta buy stuff over here. So we'll see. If it breaks the low of the previous, or the stop becomes like 15 pips, 14 pips, and hell no. Actually place buy stop, yes. Because now look, the 30 minute over here is just making the low wick, just like it's done in the other candles over here. If you get the flip now, you should get a nice drive up. Nice clean area as well, so yeah, we'll see. Is your USD ready for shoot up? Okay, this blunt guy has actually been a bit of a faggot now. Let me just get rid of him. There we go. I put him on top now. He's like, there's no way you've been trading for 5 years. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me just prove this to you. God. Okay, so the hourly time frame as well. 24 minutes left. Perfect amount of time left to get that extra move into this zone. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. And yeah, GJ gold's still in this zone now. 50-minute close bearish, kind of rejecting. So yeah, Max, you need order blocks. Order blocks. I need some smart money concepts, man. I've only got dumb money concepts. Okay, so let me just take a look at stops right now. Yeah, getting like 10 pips. We'll see. This is probably the amount of stop I want to take. I don't really want it to take a 15 pip stop on a Monday. So we'll see. Has anyone else taken any trades this morning though? Please take a look in there. Send me some charts if you're taking any trades. Send them on the Discord probably. Send them on the Discord and I can take a look. Oh my god, I just got ear raped by Mr. God, that's so funny. I'm creased by that. I'm gonna ask the guy who actually is it then. Okay, this might be the retracement to form support on GJ. I don't know. It's coming back to flipping the hourly. 23 minutes left. That's okay. Let's take a look how much stops are right now. 12 pips. Yeah, 12 pips is my maximum for GJ. So if it comes any further than that, I'm probably gonna leave it. So yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Goldie's pushed up over here. Broken the high of the previous 30. Damn. Looking good. It could maybe continue. This might be support on the 30-minute time frame. You need to be a bit more specific over here. There is no support on the 30-minute time frame. It's just making the lower wick of the 30-minute. When you enter on the flip, it is with spreads on the flip, correct? Well, my spreads are so tight that I don't have to really worry about it, but yeah. Yeah, so if you're getting in on the flip, for sure. I love gold longs, yeah, man, they're going to be nice. Flipping this daily flip over here, oof. Because what will happen is we'll be leaving this fucking area we've been in for donkey's years in here. Breaking out of it now. Now we've had the retracement back in the zone, we're flipping, we're breaking out of it. Oof, it's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Very, very nice. Let's take a look. Target 22,100. Shit, Iron Man, you're holding on for a while, eh? Look on the left hand side over here. Yeah, that was funny how we tapped literally the previous wick over here, 2074. To me though, I only think we're gonna get to these highs again if the war starts getting a little bit more aggressive. To be honest with you, I haven't heard much about the war in a while now, which kind of sucks. Like, is it even still going on? Like, I don't know what's happening with that. So, you got to think over here, guys. What is the probability that this candle now flips and pushes up like I want it to? Well, if you take a look to the left, the right hand side, we have 5 minutes left. Okay, 5 minutes left to do the move I wanted to do, which was this. Is it going to do that in that time? Probably not. So I'm going to delete my buy stop and I'm going to wait a little longer over here. I'm still creased at that guy. Oh my god. That's so funny. I'm going to expose you, mate. Well, there's nothing to expose, okay? He's like, shit, wrong guy. Oh my god, imagine. I've asked him who the actual guy is. That'll be well interesting. So yeah, deleted the sell stops now, the buy stops now, because first of all, the stops right now are like 14 pips, kind of beefy. The 30-minute time frame, you know, still reasonable, hasn't exceeded the low, so could potentially just make in the low wick to flip. But I want to wait for this 15 to close, because if this 15-minute closes strongly bearish like this, I do not want to be taking buys, man. The only way I may look at it is if this 15-minute close is very weak bearish with a nice big rejection wick like that. But we'll see. We'll see for this closure. Russia, I think, has pulled back all troops to then go all together, I think. Oh god. Oh my god, I just saw that. Fuck's sake. So yeah, we'll see. Fahad, nice to see you, my man. Nice to see you. So yeah, Euro USD. I don't know why is everyone's crazy about Euro USD? Everyone seems to want to look at it. It's like, yeah, well, look at, like, everyone goes, look at that move, Max. Like, well, yeah, it was kind of just out of nowhere. It's fucking, you know, people try and find these random moves and go, look at that, like, we can try and catch that. It's like, mate, there was absolutely nothing for you to get that trade there. Like, you know. Just because it moves 27 pips in one candle doesn't mean you're going to take it properly. I mean, the only thing was it's holding support, that's it. It's just not a nice pair. It's not a nice pair at all. So, look over here. Gold has exceeded the high of the previous hourly at 1946. Which is looking nice to continue up. Euro USD is nasty, ugly, even on the higher time frames. Yeah, facts, man. Let me just take a look at news later on. So we've got some members speaking over here. Some USD FOMC members speaking. 2:30. That's fine. I'll be finished by then. Don't you worry about me. I'll be finished by then. Tomorrow we got some GBP news at 7 AM. Nice, and then core CPI. Nice. Yeah. So look at, I think it's quite an aggressive day for week for news. Yeah, a lot of red folders, so it's going to be interesting to see. So tomorrow 7 a.m. there's actually some news. I might start the stream earlier tomorrow. I should have done that today as well, to be honest. But yeah, I'll start the stream a bit earlier tomorrow so we can see how the news affects it and all that kind of stuff. Looking like the numbers are pretty much the same as last time. So for forecast, so if the forecast is different, then you're going to see some big move. Euro USD is for amateurs. Yeah, it's not too nice, eh? So there we go over here, guys. 1 minute 54 seconds left for this 15 to close bearish. So it doesn't look good to continue over here. Not the best, anyway. And the hourly's struggling now. So for me, you know, even though I'd rather get in a bit earlier, but for me, I wasn't on. You know, I couldn't get in at these entries here that I would want to, like around about 162, 650. So if I'm looking to get in at a lot higher level, I've got to wait for lower wicks. I've got to wait for rejections, because if I just buy the highs, you're gonna get fucked up so badly. You got to wait for a retracement, and then the reflip. You can get a nice little push. So don't really rush into buys, especially buys. Sells okay, because sells just work out, man. If you see GJ and it's bearish and like it's really pushing back well with, you know, some red candles, fucking just take a sell, man, and close your eyes. Pretty easy. Yeah, exactly. How much has it actually moved through? Did it move through Asian? Yeah. Yeah, it's moved quite a lot actually, hasn't it? Moved quite a lot through Asian as well. So yeah, we'll see. Euro USD main pair in continental Europe and not GU. Yes. Let's take a look at Discord. Any more charting over here? Fuck off. Join my server to make serious money in the market. Oh, this fucking dude, man. How do I fucking ban people? I don't even know how to do it, man. Discord's so hard, man. I'm so fucking garbage at it. Yeah. Yeah, we only use Discord for the chart work here for people on YouTube. Main is Telegram. Telegram's the one I use. So there we go over here. 15 minutes closed way too bearish. I'd hate to take buys on this 30-minute candle now, knowing that the 15 is closed very solidly bearish. And yeah, flip the hourly as well, so I've got to be cautious. I have 26 days and 7.5% to complete my challenge. Looking forward. Oh, nice. Yeah, Ignacio, hopefully this week we'll get a nice little trade over here and you'll be done. Max, can you explain how to avoid fake outs using buy stops and sell stops? Exactly what I've just told you, you know. This is pretty much faked out of that zone now that we marked onto the left. We've closed back below it. So the way to get in and to miss out a fake out, and if you ask any of my members, if you DM them and go like, how many times do you have like buy stops and sell stops and end up deleting them? It happens quite a lot, because you know fake outs do happen quite a lot. But what it is I'm waiting for the lower wick. So if it doesn't give me the lower wick and runs off, I'll probably not get in unless I can get a really nice stop. Because I want the rejection. Because if you're on a 30-minute time frame or an hourly time frame and you get the rejection, so on the hourlies here, can you see every single hourly time frame, you know, has a nice lower wick. So I know in some area of that hourly time frame we're going to get a nice lower wick, and normally happens in the first kind of half of the time. So what you've got to wait for is just a nice lower wick to continue back down to make the lower wick of the hourly, and then when we start reflipping, you're getting the rejection, you're getting all of that, and it's going to work nicely. If it doesn't work and it never reflips, it's just going to close bearish, and then you're just going to delete it, just like what this candle did. Okay, and then you just take it off and then you're fine. Happens all the time. But the ones that do reflip and push, they're pretty much the highly probable setup. So yeah, that's how you avoid them. Just wait for the lower wicks or the higher wicks, you know, top wicks or bottom wicks. Just wait for them. So like if you're in a selling situation over here, so let's just say over here you found the support. Let's just say the support was like right there, okay? And you know you got a closure. You know this is a big level of support. It could hold it, but if you get a candle closure like this, okay, what I prefer to happen is top wick to continue up, tap the previous zone, and then flip. Okay, because what's going to happen is I'm going to get a nice stop because I got my stop on the high. Okay, I can get in on the flip. Normally when we get in on the flip, we're rejecting the previous zone and we're going to get a nice drive down. And if it's a fake out, this candle won't just flip back. What it will do is just drive back up. It could just do this, and then close back bullish above, and then I don't get into a trade, and then we're all hunky-dory. So it's a win-win, you know. Whereas if you get in a bit like earlier, maybe on the close, you could take a lot of drawdown and maybe get faked out. So you've got to wait for the top wicks. So yeah. So yeah, I mean, 11 minutes time over here. If this candle closes kind of doji, it's going to be showing there's big rejections over here. So, got to look out. CE, are you the guy who just spammed my Discord, you fuckwit? Yeah, it is. Fuck's sake. Yeah, CE looks like he's trying to get you to join his mentorship. So yeah, go and join his mentorship.
Don't tempt me.
Should we do it, Finn? Should we go? Should we join?
Does he pass challenges for free?
He says join to. He says join to make real money in Forex. Don't follow this trash. That's when you know. That's when you know you're getting big, when you're trying to get people to fucking hate on you. Oh, it feels great. It's boosting my ego. My head's getting bigger. Thank you. But wow, look, flip the hourly time frame now, rejecting. So yeah, I mean, at the moment I can't really see too much. I wouldn't want to take sells on GJ because of the fact that the higher time frames are way too bullish. AJ as well, kind of struggling in a little area right now. Price action here is pretty garbage. And gold was nice, man. Gold was nice getting them lows. I fucking missed that trade. It kind of pissed me off. Iron Man, I think CE, I will join ASAP. Yeah, for real. I don't get how stupid are people to pay other people to pass their funding challenge. Why do they want to get paid to pass their challenge when they can do it? Yeah. Well, I mean, it's quite funny. Like, I get some people join my mentorship, and I look at their Telegram. Their Telegram things. Let's take a look over here. So these are all people's names, like who've gone on the bot, and like some of them here is like, we pass FTMO challenges. Like, well, why the fuck are you joining my mentorship? It's kind of funny. Scarlet, I woke up. Yeah, off any boy.
Sorry, you go.
No, you
go.
go. You go.
I was gonna say, I'll give you my thing, and you can pass a challenge for me if you like.
I give you 20% of the profit. I'll take the rest.
No.
No,
You can just pass the challenge, and then you can get stuffed.
Can you see how much is it to enter the Telegram? $49.99, my man. I will cancel my flight today and join CE straight away. Yeah. I love that shit, man. I love how like people try and like promote themselves like without actually showing any value. Why didn't you just like make his own like fucking like YouTube thing or something? Like, don't just go into some other people's chats like, I could show you the proper way. It's like fucking Star Wars. He's like, I'll show you the real side of the Force. Fuck's sake. Well, no. So people who have like mentorships and stuff and say we'll pass your FTMO, what they actually mean is like you're gonna do the the signals and hopefully it's gonna pass. They're not gonna pass your FTMO and then just go, oh sorry, we didn't do it, so there's your money back. Like, most people don't do that. They'll just scam you. That's why most people don't really do it. Gold buys looking good. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, this is the thing, right? I wanted to get in here, so sometimes you gotta just go to yourself and you know what? I missed this entry. I wanted to get in right here when it made this low wick on the hourly. Back to support. Stop loss would have been below this level. Okay, that's where I wanted to get in. I've missed that entry, so for me getting in now in these areas here is going to be a lot harder. Why? Well, because there's rejection wicks here. fucking hell, this 1 second. There's rejection wicks here. There's rejection wicks here. So what I want to be in is I want to be in a situation where I'm in a trade here now. I'm a stop loss to break even. And now I don't give a toss if this fucking has rejection. I've probably closed a little bit of positions over here. Probably made like 2%. And then the rest is just going to run. And if it breaks these highs and continues, then I've got a runner till, 1958. For me, getting in a little higher on gold is just so risky, man. Unless we've got NY. So when NY comes, the volume's big. If we get a nice little push up, then yeah, for sure you can jump on the bandwagon. But getting in now, for me, I've took the decisive decision that I have just missed my entry, which was there. And I think on gold, you've got to be able to just know that.
Shit, GJ is flying back up.
Oof. 6 minutes.
Yo! Oh, sorry.
You're like, GG's coming back up, boy. The stops are fucking gigantic, man. I'm gonna wait for this 30th close in 6 minutes time. But yeah, I mean, a nice retracement back up. Holy shit, came out of nowhere. Sure of them are scams. It's better in the long run if you learn how to trade versus off someone else. If any are legit, what happens when they leave? Exactly, man. That's why for most parts, I mean, I know a lot of people use my mentorship just for the signals and they just sit in there and I've got like 85 people in, right? But like on NY, I'll maybe have like 35 in. So there's actually quite a big percentage who will just do the signals, which is fine. Like, I'm not going to screw them for that. But if they really want to be in this for the long run, they've got to learn it themselves. So I really advise people to come into the sessions and, really try and improve from that way, because you got to learn yourself. But some people just want it as passive income, which is kind of fair enough, AJ's also flipping over here on the hourly. 5 minutes left of the candle. I mean, if this 15-minute closes above, how much is stops right now? Let's take a look. Nah, stops are much nicer.
Even both.
Yeah. Yeah. Good thing on AJ is the stops are nicer. The GJs are like fucking 20 pips. You're Master Yoda. I need to speak in the third person like he does. Wow, there's 300 people in here. Holy shit, this is probably the biggest stream in a while, man. Damn, I think this is probably the biggest stream. Fuck me. 300 people, amazing work, guys. Make sure you get the likes up over here. Yeah, we'll see. I like the hourly, how it's made a rejection as well. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. How long's the 4 hour got left? An hour left. Yeah, it's kind of clean candles to the left as well. So yeah, I may want to get into AJ over here because stops are really not that bad. 12 pips or something. This zone is like 15, not too bad. People who pay for other people to pass their challenges are the same people who pay for sex. Oh my god. So just a little thing, if if you're scalping gold and stuff, you've just tapped previous resistances. That's an area where you should be taking a little bit of profit. If obviously you're swinging it and holding it for longer, then you just gotta hope it continues. But this level here is where you should be closing some positions, and maybe here as well. Right, the daily flip. Was that a Uncle Ted quote? Was it? Oof. Looks like AJ's probably not going to close above this little minor resistance it's made. Yeah, GJ looks better. GJ looks better, it's just the stops are fucking diabolically beautiful. Not. 22 pips. 22 pepperonis. Are you Uncle Ted's boyfriend? What the fuck is this chat today? Holy shit. Oh god. Yeah, looking like AJ's not going to do it, man. And like for me, when you start to see price action behave like this, like look at the candles, man. Look at the wicks. It's just not a nice area. I wanted that nice closure. Looks like we're not going to get it, so probably going to leave that. How do AUD JPY pips work? Just the same as GJ, you know, just 10 pips. The same, which is good. Which is very nice. 2 minutes left. I really want this candle to close above like this. Next one makes a low wick and breaks the high. Stop would be on the current low, like there. So always try and think of what you're looking to see, because when it actually happens, it's so easy to enter because it's literally just there on a plate. It's when you try and guess and you're like, oh no, when we can get in over here. Always just have what you're wanting to see and then just wait for it to happen. When it happens, you know, it's easy work. Easy. So 30 minutes flipped over here. Broken the high as well. Oof, this is looking nice. The only issue I have is where stops are going to be. But it looks pretty good. To continue.
It will be 1 hour closure, so we need that bottom wick.
Yeah. The only issue.
Yeah, wait for a little retrace.
The only issue I have.
See if it bounces off that level.
Yeah. The only issue I have is that now, because the 30 minutes rejected already, is this next one going to make much of a bottom wick? I don't know. So we'll see.
In that case, we are going to miss one trade.
Yeah.
No big deal.
Exactly. Exactly. Looking good though to start off like the week. It's like nice volumes, pretty good. Which is good to see. Let's take a look at this zone. Yeah, 6-3, 450. Nice. Wow, beautiful. We still continuing. Very, very good. 4 seconds before the closure, it runs another 5 pips. Nice. 500 break of high. Oh, nice. Yeah, so now the 30-minute over here is closed. Oof, doesn't have a top wick, which kind of sucks. How many pairs do you trade? 3. Up 20 pips. Oh, on that 5 minute. No top wick. Oof, yeah. So, no top wick. Sometimes I'm not really too asked about it, but the only issue is that there's no room to move. There's no, you know, more room to move on that candle because it's just closed and no top wicks. Kind of sucks. Yeah. Ooh, AJ's also pushed up over here. 30-minute actually closed with a nice rejection wick. Let's take a look at this hourly now. Hourly hasn't got a low yet, but it looks like it's breaking the potential previous high. Jeez. So let's take a look at this hourly as well. Yeah. We'll see how big this retracement is. That would be nice in the previous 5-minute zone. Take a look at the 5-minute like here. That'd be kind of nice. The hourly also closed with no top wick on, so that normally means for me the pullbacks are pretty bad. So yeah. What broker do you use? IC Markets. Yeah, I'll put in the broker link here. If you want to use my link, go for it. I'll show you the spreads right now. They're the best pretty much in the game right now. They always are. These are actually kind of high normally. Normally they're like less, but yeah, I mean, not even a pip. Not even a pip really. Easy work. Gold. Yeah, so gold, look, respecting the resistance. So if you're scalping, you know, and you're not holding the trade on for a long time, you know, here, that's where you should be taking your positions off. You got down there, you know, that's a beautiful 50-40 pip trade. With the, you know, you had like a 10-12 pip stop. Beautiful. You got to close your positions. You know, one of the things I say is for people is, you know, no matter how many pips you're in, if you don't close, you're not making any money. So, you know, you could be in 100,000 million pips, but if you don't close anything, you know, it's useless. You got to be able to, you know, press that close button or close partials, you know. On that guy in Discord. This is the announcement on the page on that guy. Why offer my FOREX course £250? What you get in the course? A high win rate strategy. You get my 1k a week side hustle. What the fuck?
How is FOREX a side hustle? It's a full-time job, man.
Yeah. I was keen to see and you get straight to course costs. Fuck's sake. That's CE guy, damn. That's well funny. Yeah, I don't know if I wanna enter on this on the highs if it hasn't closed at the top wick. We'll see. GG. Everyone's looking for GG. I'm barely starting to include 1 day and 4-hour flips into my style. Game changer. Oh, you're starting to, yeah. It's good, man. It's good. It just means that you can see the higher time frames and the lower time frames here. So I know the 4-hour right now is bullish as hell. So is the daily, because the daily's all down here. So only you'd be looking for buys. Oil buy smashing it. Ooh, let's take a look. Let's take a look at some oil over here while I'm waiting. How the fuck do you put it in? I swear it's I forgot even know what their ticker's called. Does this look alright? No, that's definitely not right. I have no idea what it's called. Oof. Is it UTI? No. UTI is a fucking. When I was
Try WTI, Western Texas Index.
Ah, yeah, WTI, that's it. Yeah. Let's take a look then. So, daily time frames bearish, looking like in a bit of a range. The 4-hour though, oh yeah, it's right at 4-hour support. Nice rejection wicks in the previous zone. Nice. The 4-hour looks pretty good. Like, getting in now is like stop loss below here. How big was that stop? Would that stop be? Oh, 100 pips. Shit. $100 pips. Now how big is this zone to come to the highs? 150. Ah, that's alright. That's alright. That ain't too bad. Yeah, that 1-hour rejection is good. Yeah, that's an Iron Man candle, that. The wick's bigger than the body. Wick's bigger than the body. Same for that one as well. 80 JPY, it's a good buy. There's been a lot of rejections there. Just before that hourly close, there's a lot of rejections. 5 minutes close bearish over here. Would I get in on the flip? I don't know if I want to without this top. I would love like that, because then when you've got this, you've got a wick to fill. So it kind of sucks. Side hustle equals pyramid scheme. Literally, fucking hell. Damn. He just saw my stream and he was like, shit, he's got 300 people on. Let's just get him up over here. Hell no. Would you say you could turn 50k into 1 million in 2 years? Probably not. Because of the way I trade. I mean, I think I could do it, but I'd have to be a little bit more aggressive on gold. Because that's the only way Raja did it. If Raja just did what he did when I learnt off him, he wouldn't be nowhere near that. So yeah, you have to be a bit aggressive on gold. You got to get in a bit of entries that you hold on for a while. So yeah. Oh, look at that rejection again. AJ's really respecting that area. Nice. 8 minutes left of this 50-minute candle. This is perfect time for it to flip and continue. I mean, let's take a look at some other people in the group. Brian or anyone? Got anyone looking at maybe the reflip or not?
Don't look at me.
Scott's fucking pissed off at the before, are you?
Nah, I'm actually not. I hadn't really been looking at it properly, to be honest. So I was sitting here, but I actually wasn't looking at it that closely.
It's just the zone that we're pushing into is going to be kind of nice. It's just this.
Just take a look at current 5-minute. It tapped the previous, and if it closes bearish, then probably leave it. But if it flips bullish, it's possible that it will retrace up.
Yeah. It's 9 pips stop as well on the high. On the flip, sorry. And it's retesting exactly where I'd want it to do, so yeah, fuck it. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to potentially get in the wick over here because the fact that we've actually came down and touched that certain area. If we come back and reflip, we've rejected that previous zone, which could be nice to continue. We'll see. I think if this 5-minute close is bearish, then I'm probably just going to fucking leave it, to be honest with you. But yeah, we'll see. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah. Because the 30-minute, the hourly is still valid, you know. It's made a nice little wick now. Perfect amount of pips as well. I'm going to see Raja in Miami in August. What? And his boot camp, or just meeting up with him? Let's get the YouTube channel link for the songs. It's just a where the fuck is it? Actually, there. There's no copyright one. Sometimes I have some good tunes on, but yeah. So yeah, 5 minutes left. Is it gonna flip? I'm gonna give it a minute or so.
The only thing I don't like, so I've just been looking at it now. If you go to the 1 hour and you compress your chart so you can see left, you've tapped a previous support which is now resistance.
Right there.
To the left there.
Yeah, that's true.
That if that wasn't there, and then it would have been cleaner.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Then I would have looked on lower time frames for sure. But that's the only thing now that I quickly looked at that's got me a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out of it. I'm not too happy also with the fact that this 15 doesn't have enough time as well again.
We're already in clean traffic, so why is it not just running?
Running,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true. The whole left hand side is clean as shit. Yeah, so I've got rid of this, guys.
It should have run, that first trade should have run to the top.
Yeah. So what Brian was saying here, guys, on YouTube was, so if you take a look over here, so if you take a look, and if I move this line to this hourly top over here, if we go all the way to the left, it's just below this hourly support. And we know that if you're below support, it could also act as resistance. So that's the only thing.
And it's a stronger time frame,
yeah.
So
for sure. Oh, look at gold, man. Fuck, I wish I got that for everyone here. Shit. Actually, no, it retraced all the way back, though, here on this candle. Fuck. Oh, wait, no, was that the one? Oh, no, yeah, it was that one. God damn it. Yeah. Oh, that would have been stinking as well. If you got in there, I would have held that trade on, I think. Oh. Well, it's good, though. A lot of nice moves to start off the week. Oof. Very, very nice. Yeah, just gonna crash the party. Gold is pushing, yeah, man. So gold's also flipped the daily time frame now. So just like we explained, we've retapped the previous zone. I wanted to get into areas here. I missed the entry, unfortunately, because I was looking at fucking GJ. Right at 1942 over here. And now it's coming back up over here. So damn, I mean, for me now, 9 AM, I don't know if it's got enough juice to push and break the highs. For me, I'm probably just going to wait for NY. Made 6% today. Oh my god. Someone smashed it in the group over here. Jeez. 101 likes. Make sure you like the stream, guys. So yeah, no trades taken for me this morning. I really wanted to get in that GJ bandwagon, but after 8 o'clock, it just didn't really give me anything. Kind of just range. It was a bit earlier. Tomorrow I'm going to start the stream a little earlier. It's 7 AM, I think. So that'll be good. AJ is looking like a barcode in the supermarket, so be careful with that one. And yeah, as I say, gold is buys, 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 but just wait for maybe retracements for NY to then buy it again at 1 o'clock. 8 AM Eastern's where the volume comes in. So yeah. Yes, sir, caught 15 pips. Nice. Very, very nice. Very good, very nice. How do you use that thing to draw candlesticks? It's just zoom. Yeah, it's just zoom. Yeah. It is just the zoom. But yeah, if you guys do want to join us for NY session, where we'll be trading NY, and then also maybe Brian will do some NAS over here later on, which would be cool for everyone. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, we'll put the link here for you guys. And yeah, I think I'm going to leave it off over here. Really, really good work though. Nice volume, which is good to start the week off. Having a little bit earlier on though, which kind of sucks, but tomorrow we're going to be on earlier on because we've got some news in the morning. So make sure to be there, make sure to put your notifications on my channel. And yeah guys, we'll see you guys there. So thank you very much. I'll see you guys later, Zoom, for NY session. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos.
Thank you. See you later, guys.
See you later, guys. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. Like the stream before you leave, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Same time, every single day. See you later, guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos.